Learn English. Welcome to English 8K Vocabulary. We learn 2 words every day and write them on paper flashcards. Today is Friday, February 14th. Here are the 2 words for today. Number 1 is something in your clothing. You can put something in. And number 2 is to spell something. S-P-E-L-L. Please listen and write this in your notebook. The flower is in her pocket. The flower is in her pocket. Pocket. The flower is in a place for holding things. Now we can make a flashcard for pocket. Please write pocket up here in the top left corner, P-O-C-K-E-T. Down here in the bottom left corner, the code, N1V4. N1 is what we're doing now. It means noun, level 1. Over here, the number 135 out of 200. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Can you do it? Very good. Paw, kit, pocket. What about you? What do you put in your pocket? Let me know in the comments. Now, word number 2. Please listen and write this in your notebook. How do you spell hello? How do you spell hello? Spell. The question is, how do you spell hello? The answer is correct. H-E-L-L-O. How do you spell your name? Let me know in the comments. Now we can make a flashcard for spell. Please write the basic form up here in the top left corner. To spell something. S-T-H means something. Down here in this corner, the code, V1. This means verb, level 1. Over here, the number, 57 out of 82. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. This is an easy one. Can you do it? Very good. Spell. We never have double L in the IPA, only single L. Game over. It is time to go. I will put some money in my pocket. Very good. And how do you spell the country that you live in? Let me know in the comments. And if you are high level, here are the level 2 words for today. Number 1 is something you wear on your head when you ride a motorcycle. Number 2 is your son, but if you are not the biological parent. And the next one means to look at something that you will learn in the future. The missing letters are M, T, and W. Helmet, stepson, to preview something. My name is Vinny from Canada. I'll see you tomorrow.